Your SandForEdge cash register is programmed to print out a receipt after every transaction. If you want to turn printing off, you're going to have to take your X key or P key and place it on the X position, which is manager mode. Once you're in manager mode, you're going to press 4 to select the stop receipt printing option. In this screen, you can press the yes or no key to set printing to off or turn it back on. I'm going to press off and press cash. Once I'm done with this screen, I'm going to set back my key to register mode, make another transaction, and no receipt came out. Now, if a customer wants a receipt, you're going to have to activate that option. So now take your P key and go down to program mode, go into option 3, which is system option, and press cash to go down to allow multiple receipt. Once your arrow is facing the end, you're going to press the yes and no key to make that into a Y for yes. Press cash to make changes, and we can go back to register mode now. Let's try to make another transaction. No receipt came out, but this time my customer wants it, so I press cash and the receipt comes out. You can print out as many receipts as you'd like, and you're all set.